go.
Good afternoon and welcome to Galaxy TV. Today we continue our study about the planets. Yesterday we talked about our home planet, Earth. Today we have a special guest speaker to talk to us about Mars. Please welcome to the stage, Allison Starks. Hi, come on over to the booth.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, Abigail. How are you?
Good, you?
I'm excited to be here today.
Well, tell us, Allison, what made you become interested in Mars?
Well, when I first discovered Hardage Air, I was interested by the color and the dust plumes. The fact that it's so far away from the sun and extremely dusty is extraordinary.
And what does Hardage Air mean exactly?
It means the red one, named by Egyptians.
Ah, so if we go to the red one, how long would it take us to get there and back?
It would take 9 months to get there and 9 months to get back. But then we'd have to stay for 3 months before we came back, because in the 9 months it takes us to get there, Mars moves 3/5 away around the sun. So in order to be able to get back to Earth and not just completely miss it, then we would have to stay for 3 months.
So how exactly did we find Mars?
Well, the study of light or spectroscopy made it possible for us to see Mars. And when we started studying Mars, we found that Mars is over half the size of Earth. Therefore, it took all the water on Earth off we would get Mars.
So how many names does Mars have?
3. Hardage Air that I told you about earlier. Nigrel, named by the Babylonians, it means the star of death. And Mars, obviously, after the Roman god of war.
Interesting. Now tell us about some of the missions to Mars.
Well, people have never actually set foot on Mars, but machines have. On May 30th, Mariner 9 blasted off for Mars, and 2 weeks later it sent back detailed, very detailed, spectroscopy and 7,300 photos.
And what did the photos show?
A planet full of dust. They also showed 2 moons, and there is snow on Mars despite all the dust. It's not snow how we know it, though. It's actually carbon dioxide.
Do we know the temperature inside?
Yes. The average temperature is 81 degrees Fahrenheit, or 63 degrees Celsius. And the diameter mass is 4,217 miles. Oh, and the distance from Sun is 142 million miles.
And Earth is 93 million miles away from the Sun, correct?
Correct.
How about time?
Most certainly. An average year on Mars is 687 Earth days, and a single day is 24 hours and 37 minutes.
Incredible! And that concludes our interview with Allison Starks. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for a talk about Jupiter. Good night.